Fix Steam error code 101 on Windows 11, and if your store or library won't load. Let me ask you, are you opening Steam and seeing error 101 preventing pages from loading? This problem usually happens because Steam cache is corrupted, network settings block proper communication, or system files interfere with connections. Sometimes VPNs, firewalls, or background apps also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated cache clears, risky file edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not resolve error 101. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling Steam or changing everything blindly, we fix the exact cache, network path, and system configuration that causes error 101. This works because it restores proper communication between Steam and its servers. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, store pages and library load normally, browsing works correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Steam error code 101 on Windows 11 is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.